Hey there, mini course generator community! AI quiz generation has been available in Mini Course Generator for a long time at the course creation phase. Now, we've released an exciting new feature, adding AI-powered questions to your existing courses. Let's see how it works. To get started, open any existing course where you want to add quiz questions. Click on Add Page where you want your questions to appear, then select AI-powered quiz from the options. You'll have three options to guide AI in finding content sources for your questions. Through the first option, you can select a specific section from your course, and AI will generate questions based on this targeted content. By the second option, you can use a previously uploaded document or upload a new document as your source. Our new feature gives you complete flexibility to choose which sections to target and how many questions to add into those. Alternatively, you can simply provide a description of your subject and let the AI handle the rest. Once your questions are generated, you can easily enrich them by adding videos, images, or any other visual elements using our editor. You can also edit or customize any question to perfectly match your needs. Here's a pro tip. You can also use this feature as a standalone quiz maker without any course content. In a blank course, just select AI quiz page type, choose your content source, like uploading your document, and your questions will be instantly generated. It's that simple. So, whether you're using course sections, your own documents, or the AI knowledge base, creating quizzes and making your courses interactive has never been easier or faster, saving you hours of work. Give it a try and take your course engagement to the next level. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And as always, happy building!